We are fully ready to end Nigeria. Biafra Liberation Army. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey you dey come across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Oya, may you no forget to rush and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook as well. My people, we'll go look into the next ogbonge news we'll get for our table today. One Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside for video provoke. He said they are fully ready to engage all enemy of Biafra. He says they are fully ready to end Nigeria as well. I say they are asking the politician if they are ready of what is coming, that they are not joking anymore. And they are waiting from order from the PM, which is Simon Ekpa. If I have given them the order immediately, and they will go into the streets and do the needful. This is what he said in this particular video. So I'm going to play you the video to watch, and after watching this video, we'll come back and analyze it more better. But do me one favor, please share this video, rush and go and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also watch the video from beginning to end for you to understand everything he said, because we may pick out a point and give you, but you have to watch the full video so that you can understand everything. So okay, watch the video and let's come back and continue. Okay guys, just listen very well. You hear everything he's saying,
from now.
that they are coming is not
because
far anymore. Just listen very well.
Coming for more than 2,000 years, you have never come. And when we say we are coming, expect us in less than 2 months. We are coming. But the only thing you will not know is which way are we going to follow. That is what you might not know, because even me, I don't know.
Can you hear that? You don't even know when they are.
But what
they will appear.
We are coming. We might choose to come as wind. We might choose to come as heavy rain. We might choose to come as sand. We might choose to come as beam. We might choose to come as, any mean. But definitely we are coming. We might just appear in your domot. We might just appear on your street. We might just appear in your room. We might just appear in your very, 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 very hidden place. Because we are your death. And one thing is settled. And that is, you must die. Because you have killed a lot of innocent people. And you do not deserve to live. And you can never, never live. You cannot survive. You cannot live. There is nothing in this world that will make you to live, because you have killed a lot of innocent people for your own greed, for your own selfishness. And their blood is asking for vengeance. And their blood must revenge. And you must die. I hope you are prepared to what is coming. I hope so. Let me believe you are prepared. Because I don't want to see you pleading for life. I don't want to see you begging for forgiveness. I don't want to see you asking for the second chance. I wouldn't like to see you doing that. I hope you are seriously prepared. For this drum you are drumming, for this music you put on, I hope you are prepared to dance. I hope you are ready to dance. Let me ask them. Because this music can never be off until we dance this dance, see the end. Good morning to all of you, the lovers of freedom. I want you to also prepare to defend yourself if need be. We are on the final stage of the quest of Biafra, and we will stop at nothing until we get Biafra. I want you to be strong and fasten your seatbelt.
Listen very well here.
We are on the very last speed now. We are waiting for the order from our Prime Minister. Immediately the order is given, the gate of hell will be loose.
Do you hear that? The gate of hell will be loose.
Everybody will dance this music. We are not afraid of war. Our forefather never did. Our father never did. And being that the same blood run through our vein, we can never fear war. The son of the king is a king, not a coward. The child of a tiger can never become good. As you all know, that we are born to do this. And definitely, we must restore Biafra. As I normally say to you people, find everything necessary, keep it by your side, so that you use it to defend yourself when need arises. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. At the end of this, Biafra will emerge. At the end, Biafra will surely emerge. That is for sure. So, get ready and get prepared. Get ready and get prepared. We are going to stop at nothing until we get Biafra. This is the short message I bring to you this morning. Share this message and let it go viral. Invite your friends and your loved one to get this message, because information is power. When you are informed, believe you me, the possibility of you performing is 100% sure. At this point, good morning. From me, from Biafra land, it's still good morning.
Okay guys, welcome back. As I've watched that video, please share this video, because everyone have to get this video and hear what this Biafra Liberation Army is saying in the deep forest, where he's sending this message. He said that they are waiting for the order from the Prime Minister, wey be Simon Ekpa. Once he give order, say they are ready to strike, they're ready to take over, they're ready to do anything. No be small thing, no. As they hear am here, na so we so hear am. Wetin be your thought for this particular video wey you watch now? What do you think? You think that they should go ahead and march, or do you think they should wait, or what do you think? Do you think they should wait for Mazen and the carry to be out? What do you think? So leave your opinion, is needed as well for us to know what you think on your own side. Okay guys, don't forget to follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video so that people will get the video as well. So remember, say the information na be the key.